Candles are lit, lights are down, playing Cody Simpson. Running your fingers through all of this blonde ambition. Till I found you in the shower, but the water ain't running and you still got all your clothes.
I don't. Hey guys, what up? I'm sick. It's snowing. This guy's doing a wood tree or something. My window is still broken, but that's becoming fixed soon. Watching TV. Yeah. So yeah, pretty much chilling. I want to go outside, but I don't know. Yeah, it's snowing pretty good out right now. Anyways, yeah. Watch the TV, sit back in a freezing room. My window's gonna be fixed. My dad's getting one. He already got one. So, yeah, he's gonna be fixing the window. So, can't wait. Anyways, yeah. Hey! Guess what just happened? I'm sick, that's what happened. But that's right. Okay. Let's check this out. It opened. Jeez, it's fixed. So yeah, it's got a new window. Laugh more. So, what's up? Oh, we're watching whatever the heck is on. Don't know. It's over the air. It's over the air, so I'm not really sure. So, first snow. Snow. Snow.
No.
Snow. That was a voice crack. Replay on that. That was hilarious. Yeah, I've been having some pretty bad voice cracks this morning. This morning. There you go. This some more. This some more. This some more. This some more. And I'm not sure it's because I'm sick or it's because I'm under puberty. So I know I'm already going through that, but I'm not even gonna get into that. By the way, if you guys check out my if you guys go over to my second channel, you may have noticed son of a oh, everything's breaking. Everything's broken. What is this world? Alright. Guess what now just broke? Now my blind just broke. Just gotta eat a horse. Bro, what is this world? What is this world? My window breaks, okay? And then my blinds. My blinds. No, this ain't fair. What the heck, bro? So great. Crap. Oh my god. So, slow it. It's literally 30 degrees and you're driving and it's snowing. And our roads are I don't know what's happening, but either they've been pre-treated. Look at this. My driveway, the road, the neighbor's sidewalk, literally, it's completely dry. No snow on it. Well, it's not dry, it's wet. But there's no snow on it. Now, I've been noticing that none of you have seen me in my glasses. So what's up? How's it going? What up? Yeah. That's what I look like in my glasses. Yeah. What the? Daddy, we supposed to say words like that. Oh my god! Check it out! It's a football. England football. Check it. Oh! Pfft. That kick though. Dang! Anyways, yeah. We have a big snow patch on us. Show a screenshot. We have a big snow patch on us and, yeah, it's snowing. And I'm now watching England, Americano 9, not American football. England. I meant football. That's right. I got some shout outs to do. So you already know, it's snowing pretty good outside. And I want to go get some snow. So, I'm going to get some snow. Check it. Alright, yo, that snow actually isn't pretty cold. That snow is actually pretty warm. Yo, check it. Yo, we got snow. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit. Yo, when you don't play with snow for a whole year, it just feels so... Yo! Sierra, come in! Sierra, come in!
Sorry, my place.
Quick, it's gonna melt.
What's gonna melt?
Everything. Yo, dude.
Didn't you? Of course you did.
Record. And feel at first. It feels so weird.
Of course you did.
Record.
Why?
We're gonna get more.
Gonna get more. You want. You want.
What do you mean I ain't?
You are not gonna do that. What is wrong with that?
Hey guys.
What is wrong with that?
I can't get any more. It's all out of my reach. It's all out of my reach. I can't get any more. Can I have my tablet?
There you go.
Uh-oh. My window won't go back in. Alright guys, so I know I had to do some shout outs. Check this out. Yo. Oh yeah, I gotta do some shout outs. So shout out to Sierra. What's your name? What? Oh, just got wind. So don't subscribe to see her. She's deleting it, I guess. Actually, I did her last one. Anywho, I do need to roll up with the shoutouts, so here are the shoutouts. Literally, look at this. Okay, so I decided I don't really want to watch football anymore. American soccer, English football. So I'm like, okay, let me go to Fox 43, see what they have. So I go there. No signal. Legit, the snow is stopping, but it's messing with my stuff. Unless my antenna's in there. See, so back here, I got a mini antenna. Oh no. Kid's gone. So I guess it's football. English football forever. Even all the other channels work too. Alright, this Me TV thing works. The Grit works.
Whether in the bathroom, at home,
Falling, I can't get up.
and on the go. Help! I'm falling in the park and I can't get up. Don't worry, help is on the way.
Seriously, need to bring a fire truck though, bro. What? Great, it doesn't like me anymore. Alright, we got a comment. It's actually sort of buggy.
Hello?
Finally, I'm able to talk to you, Mr. McLemore.
Who is this?
This is Elaine Wentworth. I know what's been happening.
Happening? What's happening?
So that one's a bit buggy. And then Fox 43 does not even work. Antenna, Fox 43 2, and Fox 43 3. So all the Fox 43s are down. And I don't know if it's because of the snow, but I don't know. Anyways, I have to do some shoutouts. Alrighty guys, so we got some shoutouts to do, so let's go on. And yeah, shoutouts to people. A water bottle. Oh my god, this thing is still alive. I'm shocked. Nope. It's done. Alrighty. So it's the live is streaming. Anywho's on to the shouty outs. Fine. Oh, well, 3 likes. What the? Okay. Shout out to Beast Mode. Shout out to Beast Mode and shout out to Okay guys, so I found it. So go subscribe to Mr. Jawline. That's right. It's his name, Mr. Jawline, so yeah, go subscribe again. I'm not sure if it's an error. Also check this stuff out. What the? Alright, let's read the mail. Whoa. Bruh. Yo. Here's a car. Bro. Wow. We're rolling. Wait, what? We're rolling? Oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. Just want to announce it's the end of vlog 11. Stick around because vlog 12 is coming soon. And yeah, roll the outro. Hey guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Then hit the bell and hit the like button.